What's the meaning of composure? Composure. Composure.
Composure. Composure. Composure refers to a state of calmness and self-control, even in difficult or stressful situations. When someone demonstrates composure, they are able to regulate their emotions and react in a thoughtful and measured way, rather than becoming overwhelmed or reactive. This can be especially valuable in high-pressure environments, such as during public speaking, negotiations, or emergencies. Overall, composure allows individuals to maintain their focus and make decisions with clarity, rather than being swept up by the chaos and uncertainty of their surroundings.